Okay, so I believe we found the culprit. Battery is fine, power is fine, and clean the connections for, and the car didn't want to start, like it was dead. Clean the connections for the battery, and it seems to start now. Let's watch this. Okay, now that the car's running, see the voltage move. That means the alternator works. We checked the voltage coming out the alternator. What I didn't realize is each one of its wires, we're getting 6 volts, which I didn't expect that. So I would get 6 volts here and 6 volts for this one. I didn't realize that's the way it worked, but here we go. It's working. All it was just bad connection between the post and the wire. So that's it. Yay!